To connect Phantom Wallet to Trezor, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Phantom Wallet browser extension installed on your computer. Next, navigate to the Phantom Wallet website and click on the Add to Browser button to install the extension if you haven't already. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet or Restore Existing Wallet if you already have one. If creating a new wallet, follow the prompts to set up your wallet and make sure to save your seed phrase securely. Now, to connect your Trezor device, navigate to the Phantom Wallet settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of the wallet interface. From the Settings menu, select the Hardware Wallets option and then click on Connect Hardware Wallet. Select Trezor from the list of available hardware wallets and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Trezor device to your computer using the provided USB cable. You may be prompted to install the Trezor Bridge software, which is required to connect your Trezor device to your computer. Once your Trezor device is connected and recognized by Phantom Wallet, you will be prompted to enter your Trezor PIN and confirm the connection on your Trezor device. After confirming the connection, your Trezor account will be linked to your Phantom Wallet and you will be able to manage your Solana funds and interact with Solana-based applications directly from your Phantom Wallet. It is essential to note that when using a hardware wallet like Trezor with Phantom Wallet, your private keys are stored securely on the Trezor device and never exposed to the internet, providing an additional layer of security for your Solana funds. Always make sure to follow best practices for securing your seed phrase and Trezor PIN to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet.